Today's vlog is the West Coast trip. I'm traveling with a group of friends and we are starting in Denver, Colorado. We just decided to meet up here. I flew from London and they flew from within the United States.
Yeah. Yeah. Off rip, this wave never end. It's a run on sentence.
To our surprise, there was Oktoberfest.
Came a long way from the benches.
Which was nice to catch. We were dancing as well, but I didn't capture that anyways. But this is the next day after.
Game bigger when I slam dunk. I live for the funk, I die for the funk. Sold out show when a nigga, my price they going up. Yes, I go to functions, I don't like to go to clubs. But I fuck with Sue, I ain't talking about the bloods. Tight.
Having breakfast at Syrup. Yeah, I'm just excited to be in Denver, looking at Daniel Lipskin's architecture, which is the Denver Museum. It was really cool to experience this building and see it in person as well. Obviously with buildings like this tend to have a lot of void spaces, but I think as a museum it really worked. And yeah, I can see why it's a hit. One of the things I liked about this museum is that they had African art. However, to my disappointment, it is clear that some of the artworks, especially those previously owned or gifted to the museum, need to be updated into who these artists are and where or what point of view they're coming from. As I was disappointed seeing one Yoruba art basically being butchered. So went to the RiNo Art Center as well to just look at some of the artworks.
Before you talk all your shit, do your research. Before you get a feature, better change your t-shirt. Grow sister in town, cause you been feeling blue. I've been doing me, so what does it matter to you? Never gave a fuck, money I was saving up, trying to make it out the city. I done been brave enough, chasing blunts with money schemes and honey dreams. Enough to turn waves of energy to symmetry and play it through your speakers just to resonate within and accurately display the life of every kid who suffer steady here, but still yet they live in an environment and see life for what it is. Still I persist, never backing down from anything. Fate is in my left and my right holds the mic, the key 2 octaves below where my soul exists.
Close by was the Denver Central Market, which we, basically chilled in the afternoon after a day of exploring museums and streets. Denver Central Market had a lot of shops and restaurants. They had a variety of food and desserts, and I definitely think it's a great place to have foods, from healthy foods to also like doing quick grocery shop if you wanted to really nice ice cream or gelato. This was the next day. Uh, so we were leaving Denver and we quickly had breakfast at the original. They were really kind and nice, and they also gave us a free celebratory dessert as well. We also then straight up went to the Denver Botanical Gardens, which was our first and last stop in Denver before we headed out on the road fully. It was a nice place to chill, explore, and just they had a nice variety of places that felt very serene and calm. They had different gardens. If you're just driving past Denver, I definitely think this is a good stop just to cool down and enjoy nature. It's very small, but I think it's unique. I checked out the shops as well to see what they had, as I often do this. I like to look at what museum shops have and what kind of unique items they have. Just to inspire, I don't necessarily have to buy anything. Watch out for our next vlogs where we actually are on the road to
just talk to a friend about like how far we came, making this shit happen, bro.